Here are the items you'll need to make an orchid lei. You'll need about 100 orchid blooms. Here I have these beautiful green and purple Dendrobium orchids. You'll need floral shears to cut the stems, and you'll need your lei cord. These orchid blooms still have short stems on them. I need to trim them off, so I cut right at the base of the stem. Now the blooms are ready to thread. First, thread your lei cord through the eye of the needle. Once you thread your needle, tie a knot at the end. Take your first bloom and poke your needle through the bottom, slightly to one side of the bump, and pull it gently through the center. Slide the first bloom all the way down to the bottom of the lei cord where it's knotted. Continue threading your blooms. You don't have to slide each bloom to the bottom as you go. What I'm doing here is threading about 5 blooms at a time, then I'm sliding that group down. As you go along, make sure as you slide the blooms down that they are nesting with each other tightly. When the blooms are all on the lei cord, it's a good idea to gently push them down as tightly as possible, because as the lei is worn, the blooms will eventually start to dry and shrink over the hours, and you don't want the lei cord to be exposed. Next, take your needle and pierce it through the bottom of the first bloom so that the first and last are nested together. Remove the needle and tie a knot to secure the lei. Then, trim off the excess lei cord. And there you have it.